Day one, second season, Colorado. We got 6 inches of snow. We already seen a buck and we're headed towards him. Got the brow tanks.
Yeah, well,
Right on top of this rock.
See him right at the tree?
Yeah, I see him. You want him? He's bedded down. You want him, Mug?
I'm good.
Good for you. You can help me carry him down.
You're okay. You don't need to shoot him. It's the first day.
Where's Boone?
It's the first day. What?
You want Macy to come shoot it?
Have Macy. Call Macy.
He's a good looking. He goes.
2 point.
Dreaming.
Okay, he's a 3 point.
He's a 4 point. Got the drop tine and brow tines. He does? Is he gonna shoot it? You only got 400 or 300 in it. Let's have a cool cheater on the side. Does he? Yeah. Huh?
That's a white guy.
Is he gonna shoot it?
He's up on top of the ridge.
Okay, I'm
In the clearing.
Is he in the middle?
Yep. Okay, hold you.
She hit him, didn't he? He was humped up.
He was humped up, but
There, he's down. He's down, Macy. Wait. Wait, he's right there. He's kicking. He's right there. What's he doing? He's thrashing around. I can't tell.
yeah, I seen him kicking.
You hit. What? He was humped up pretty sick. Are you excited? He's dead. She's right there. She found him. Macy. He's right there. He's dead. She smoked him. See the horn sticking up right there?
I can't see him. I see him.
Do you see him?
And like again.
I told you she found it. It bumped. And he jumped straight in the air. He dropped.
I don't know where I shot him.
Macy? It's all got one horn.
Hey, Toast.
He's fast.
Grab a horn. Let's see what the other side looks like.
Pick it up so Bean can see you.
Macy killed a dandy.
Turn around, look at me, Bean.
Turn around the camera. You got your butt in the camera.
He's got brown ties too. He's a 6-point, Macy.
Woo! Look at that dandy. You're showing up grandpa everywhere you go. There we go, everybody.
After you film?
Hit him.
Holy cow, there's deer everywhere.
He's down.
He's going.
He's going down. He's down. Woo!
High five, dude.
We got him.
Somebody tackle.
Yeah.
Go on that side, or you come this way.
Gonna be some ground shrinking.
Straight down.
Senior citizens, they can get deer still.
We found the pedestrian again.
Found the pedestrian out here on the second season in Colorado. We're out here for the weekend. This is Walrus Outdoors.
Episode 3.
Episode 3. Okay, go.
Macy just killed the biggest buck she'd ever seen in her life, and I told her if she made another kid cry, she got $20. He's gonna cry.
$10 for the cameraman, right? Just kidding.